AMD Ryzen 75800X. The AMD Ryzen 75800X may have just helped AMD shoot past Intel in the processor race. More than anything, this CPU symbolizes AMD's complete domination of the mainstream desktop processor market, even more than the Ryzen 95900X. Intel has held the reins in the gaming processor market by always prioritizing the high clock speeds that PC games crave. To compete, AMD completely redesigned its Zen 3 architecture. So, while it's still based on the same 7nm manufacturing process as its predecessor, AMD changed the core die, CCD, designed to only allow for one core complex per die. To make up for this impactful change, each CCX now has 8 cores, that's up from 4 cores per CCX on Zen 2, greatly reducing latency between cores, and each core has direct access to 32 MB of L3 cache, helping improve gaming performance. It's these improvements in speed and efficiency that give the most meaningful upgrade to gaming CPU performance we've seen in years.